Hey everybody, today's video is all about obstacle detection. In particular, will full self-driving from Tesla with hardware 3, which there are millions of cars on the road that have hardware 3, will it respond to leaves blowing across the road? Now, nobody has really tested this because this version came out in February of 2025. I was very curious and I was fascinated with the results, and I think you will be as well. I had no idea what to expect. Well, I kind of did. In the past, leaves have never really been a problem, but if you've seen any of the posts on X, there are also YouTube videos about this. Version 14, the latest and greatest software from Tesla, which runs on the cars that have AI 4, also known as Hardware 4, which came out in mid-2023, those cars will stop completely and certainly slow down for leaves blowing across the road. And it's not ideal. A human driver knows that they are leaves and they know they do not need to slow down. Now, I have had Hardware 3 slow down and stop completely for squirrels. So I decided to do a test with a small remote control stunt car. Now, my daughter, she's controlling the stunt car in these clips, and I did this test multiple times, and I opened this up as a contest. 35 people entered the contest to vote on what they thought would happen, and I gave 3 options. 1, it will not react or stop at all. 2, it sometimes will react or stop. And 3, it will stop or react every single time. Out of 35 people that entered the contest, only 6 people got it right. And James was randomly selected to win a $25 Amazon gift card. So congratulations to James. And I would encourage all of you to enter my contests in the future because you have a very high chance of winning and it's a very easy thing to do. Let's go ahead and get started. The first tests were done with the stunt remote control car. You may feel free to skip to the end to see the final results if you don't want to watch each and every single one of these tests. I did perform this 4 different times. Here's the first test. I wasn't getting the results that I had expected, so I did test this 4 separate times. Here the car comes out. My car did not respond at all. It didn't even appear to try to avoid the car in the road. Here I come again at 28 miles per hour. Car comes out. Now that was a solid disengagement. It did not react or respond at all there. And I felt like I gave it plenty of time to see the car. So I thought, okay, well, maybe I was going a little bit too fast. So you can see me dialing the speed down here to 16 miles per hour. And here again, I had to stop. So I prefer not to crush this poor RC car and or cause any damage to my car. So once I realize that it's just not responding or stopping at all, I am disengaging. Here again, I slow it down all the way to 10 miles per hour, giving it as much of a chance to see the RC car and stop or react. You can see I bump it down to 8 from here. And here's the car kind of going all over the place and just really not slowing down at all. No reaction. So now we move on to the leaves blowing across. Now I honestly did not believe that it would respond at all to the leaves. However, I only did 3 tests here and you'll soon find out why. Now that first test, the leaves didn't really go fully out into the road, but you can see it slowed down. It shows it on the display. It actually shows a small object there. So it definitely saw the leaves and definitely responded, which I'm not so sure that was the right thing to do. I was going a little bit slower. I do slow it down even more. here down to 21, down to 20 miles per hour max. Here we are, 20. My daughter's a little bit late with getting the leaves out, but in this case, it drove right past them. No reaction. I just realized I have a grammatical error there. It's not leafs, it's leaves. Leaves, test 3 of 3. So she really blew them out quite early for this one. And it's set to 21 or 31 miles per hour max. And in this case, it definitely reacted. Now, what you don't see here is that it just stayed here and it did not move. My daughter started coming out after this. You'll see here. So there you can see it slowing down, and I'm certain it's not slowing down for her because she was clearly off of the road at this point. She may have been tricking the car into thinking because she was kind of leaning forward. But after she came out into the road, it really did not proceed at all until she left. You can see there 2 times it responded to the leaves, whereas it did not respond at all to the stunt car in the road. Very fascinating, not exactly what I expected. Curious to hear your thoughts. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I personally thought that the car would stop every single time, or at least some of the time, for the remote control car, but in reality it didn't at all. With leaves, I already knew it would react, I just didn't know how much it would react, so I'm glad it didn't react every single time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all stay warm, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.